Hey Aquarius, this is how is the Wheel of Fortune turning in your favor. Let's ask Spirit, okay? Spirit, could you please come through and give messages to Aquarius for how the Wheel of Fortune is turning in their favor, please and thank you. I'm being shown these massive, ginormous doors, and with the doors, there's a stream of light I'm seeing in between them, like a divine white light. I'm receiving downloads. Some of those itchy. Off of that, I'm getting that the divine realm is opening the floodgates of abundance for you, Aquarius. You will be overflown with abundance.